Hey guys, so today's supposed to be a good day because temperatures are good, but the thing is, yeah, there's dark clouds everywhere. There's a storm coming, storm asthma, so yeah, it's bad. But I have a lot of things to do. I just got out of the house. Just got out of the house today around 2 p.m. I need to go to get those items I have 3D printed for my project, and then I need to drop some stuff for Laura, and then I need to go to an electronic shop to buy some stuff. There's a lot of things to do. I better get going now. Stop blabbering. Okay. Hey guys, so I went from Bunnings to Bunnings, and then J-Car to J-Car to get the components I need for my project, and yeah, I also got the 3D stuff, 3D parts that I need to do for my project. I made 2 batches of it. Here it is. Uh, just have a bit of comments about it later. So and also I just got some stuff from the mail. Where's my? Should be there. Yeah, my flash was ruined because I think it's the cold shoe of the. Hold on, I'm gonna get there. Okay, I'm back. So yeah, what happened was just got some stuffs from AliExpress. Where the fuck are they? Okay, there. Where the fuck are they? I couldn't find them. Okay, I'm back. Sorry about that. So yeah, well, what happened was my flash just broke. I just removed the bottom of the flash, and the other flash that I usually use, this one here. You can see the Sony's, they break sides here. So I was about to check this, or I don't know what to do, but a good thing is I found online that you can buy on AliExpress these ones here. Oh man, it's a lot. Okay, they're really packed up, full plastic. Oh come on, man. Really packed up. So yeah, it's even. They have this, and this is supposed to be ribbon wires, but this one they're having this. Oh, it's metal. This was not what I ordered. Oh damn. Anyway, we'll see how it goes. And the other one. What's the wrong thing? I was supposed to be happy, but oh, these are Sony's. That's nice. So it should be like this. Ribbon wire, and yeah, this one is the Sony. So yeah, this one's broken. The top part's broken. Only one side left, and this one's the new one. Oh, this looks much stronger, as you can see. Yeah. So this one's covering there, and this one's just. This is much more durable. Good. But this other one, this is not gonna work. This is not the same mount, but it's not gonna work. Nuh-uh. Oh well, just send him an email. What is this bullshit? Okay guys, so yeah, I got these. So yeah, this is the Sony one, and as you can see, the front part here is broken, and there's still part of it here, and this is the replacement. As what you can see with the replacement, the sides are longer compared to that, so it's not gonna be broken. I hope it's gonna make it stronger. We'll see. But yeah, it's a good thing. This replacement. Come on, focus. Yeah. You see the sides are complete compared to this one. Okay. So This one here, I got the part. Took a while, but what came? This was supposed to be the Sony one. It should be a ribbon wire coming up with this mount. And what arrived was this. This is not a Sony mount. This looks like a Canon or Nikon one. So yeah, this is going back. Good thing this one one's gonna be working. And yes, got a lot of haul here, a lot of stuff. Wait. Yeah, I got 3D printed parts, which is so satisfying to dismantle, or like, look at that. You do this. Ah, oh, that's so satisfying. Look at that. Ah, it's like, yeah, having a toy and taking them off here. Yeah, we'll see. What else do we have here? Yeah, we have a lot of things. Most of the parts I have, like wires, shrinkables, shrinking wires, and everything else. So I'll be doing my project as soon as I get most of the things done. But yeah, I'm going to make 2 boxes out of it. And yeah. So here it is. So earlier I went over to Bunnings and to J-Car. Got all the receipts here documented. And yeah. Still I need some more. Yeah, hopefully it gets done as soon as possible. Just waiting for some parts to come. Okay, that's it. Yeah, that's it. I got confused. I was looking at everything and I'm a bit overwhelmed. I even have this power thing for the second drive. But yeah. Cool. Even have this. Okay, so just gonna keep this up and yeah, we'll see how this goes. I'm a bit sleepy now.